Sawadee Hi, my name is Jelson, Market Specialist of South Asia for Mohawk College. We are located in one of the most progressive, industrious, and known to be the healthcare capital of Canada. Welcome to Hamilton City in the province of Ontario. Do you want to be future ready and have that exciting career in the field of healthcare, engineering, skilled trades, information technology, childcare, and innovation? Those are major programs that Mohawk College offers to you, Thai international students here at Mohawk College. Those programs, we are so popular and ensure that we offer co-op placement, field placement, laboratory placement, and give you the best experiential and practical learning for you to become successful and have that exciting career in Canada. All right. Do you know that Mohawk College is the first college in entire Canada that offers co-op or paid internship? Our program has the latest curriculum to ensure that you have that practical learning where Canadian employers is in need right now, and that gives you an advantage to other applicants, help you find job, future ready, and ready to join Canada's labor workforce. That's Mohawk, the leader when it comes to practical, experiential learning. Mohawk College has its Mohawk Student Association. That is your best friend. One of the benefits is that you'll able to ride on a bus for free for the entire Hamilton region. We also offer campus student employment program wherein you'll be given a chance to work inside the campus. We will also help you, give you the confidence to be able to find jobs outside the campus, as in you can work 24 hours per week as an international student. We always ensure you that you'll be connected to your fellow international students and Canadian nationals as well, because we believe you are the future. We encourage everyone, all Thai who are willing to study in Canada, to apply directly at Pacific Premier. And we will give you $100 application fee waiver. So please apply now for our 2025 and 2026 intake. I remind you, if you're into healthcare, engineering, skilled trades, IT, childcare, aviation, choose Mohawk College and live in Hamilton City, where your employment and your success matters. Hashtag choose Mohawk.